Success is not just about accumulating money, it's a journey toward achieving personal goals. Money may be a tool, but it is not the end goal. Balancing financial success with personal achievements is the secret to a fulfilling life. The key to building a life full of accomplishments is setting clear goals. Personal goals give you a sense of direction, and money simply enhances the journey. When you have a goal, challenges become just steps along the way. Focusing on self-growth helps you overcome obstacles that may arise. True success is feeling you're on the right path, regardless of money. Values and principles play a significant role in defining real success. Setting goals is not just about improving financial status but improving life as a whole. Life is full of opportunities waiting for someone to set a goal to achieve them. Personal goals give you a greater sense of accomplishment than money. Success is not in how much money you have, but in how much happiness you achieve. You need to prioritize before chasing money. Success requires persistence and the ability to adapt to changes. Money can't buy happiness, but personal success can enhance it. You need to develop your personal skills to achieve sustainable success. Set goals based on your inner values. Without clear goals, life becomes chaotic and unclear. Money comes and goes, but real achievements last. Focus on personal growth, and you'll find money following along the way. Choose goals that align with what you love, not just what's profitable. Success is not in what you own, but in what you give. Life is not just about working for money, it's about working to find meaning. No matter the circumstances, having clear goals makes it easier to stay focused. True success is improving yourself and developing your potential. Money can't give you inner peace, but personal achievement can. You need to balance enjoying life with working hard toward success. Money may open doors, but goals give you direction. Success is not about getting money, but about making a difference in others' lives. If you want success, you must seek innovation and continuous learning. Set your goals based on what brings you inner satisfaction. Your goals should inspire you, not pressure you. Personal success starts with defining the values you want to embody in your life. Money can't replace the absence of personal goals. Focusing on small achievements builds great success over time. Money alone can't bring mental peace, but personal achievement can. Don't prioritize money above all else. Make success your ultimate goal. Set goals that are rooted in your passion, and you'll feel true fulfillment. Success is the continuous progress toward the goals you set. Instead of working just for money, work for a larger vision in your life. Money can help you achieve your goals, but it doesn't replace them. Set goals based on what brings you joy, and you'll find success in the process. Success is about facing challenges with confidence and flexibility. Money may be a barrier if it becomes your only goal in life. Learn to enjoy the journey of achieving your goals, not just reaching the end. Setting personal goals is the first step in building a life full of accomplishments. Success requires a balance between ambition and the ability to manage daily life. Don't measure your success just by money, but by the growth you achieve day by day. Your goal should be something that inspires you to work continuously.